Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to trade US30 with CNBC. First, understand that US30 represents the Dow Jones Industrial Average, a stock market index tracking 30 major American companies. CNBC offers invaluable real-time financial news, expert analysis, and market data. This information helps you gauge market sentiment and identify potential trading opportunities. We'll explore how to integrate these resources effectively into your trading strategy. CNBC is a powerful tool for market analysis. Pay close attention to their live broadcasts for breaking news, economic reports, and expert commentary. These insights can significantly influence US30 movements. For example, a strong jobs report or unexpected corporate earnings can create volatility. Learn to filter the noise and focus on information directly relevant to the index's performance, helping you make informed decisions. Once you've gathered insights from CNBC, it's time to develop your trading strategy. Combine fundamental news with technical analysis, looking at charts and indicators. Define your entry and exit points before placing a trade. For instance, you might aim for a 1% profit target or limit losses to 0.5% of your capital. Always use stop-loss orders to protect your capital and manage risk effectively. With your strategy in place, execute your trades through your chosen brokerage platform. Continuously monitor your open positions, using CNBC for any new developments that might affect your trade. After closing a trade, take time to review its performance. What worked well? What could be improved? This reflective practice is essential for continuous learning and refining your approach to trading US30.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.